I'm always having people tell me I need to get a P38 to open my cans instead of just stabbing them with a knife, but sometimes I'm too lazy to get it out. But I do have something like that, my can opener on my Swiss Army knife. So now the next thing I'm going to do probably is aggravate some people as I cook in that can. I constantly get warnings from people that I'm going to get cancer from eating out of cooking stuff in the can it came in. But chili is warmed up nicely now. So I'm going to toast some sourdough bread. And you notice I'm cooking in the can. It's not going to hurt me. All right, looks like our bread is nicely toasted here. It's going to be perfect. Now for the piece of resistance. Ooh, fire's a little warm here. Dump a little chili on there. That is going to be, that is going to be delicious right there. So it's kind of a flat sloppy joe here. I like doing it like this. That chili here on top of the sourdough, toasted sourdough. It's awfully good. You know, the sourdough has its own distinctive flavor and it really changes up the chili. 2 thumbs up. It's simple and good. The can is empty. Into the fire it goes. Exactly where it belongs. Well, time to go to bed. My light off. I like to take everything in my pockets and drop that down in the hood of the poncho here. That way there's nothing in my pockets to irritate me when I'm trying to sleep. And then take this little thing here off. Just throw it up in there. Okay. I'll take my boots off. And my socks came off with them. I just throw those down in there. And this particular blanket right here, it's snapped in. It's the Osni Top Quilt. And so I just throw it out over the side. It's snapped on the far side. So all I do is just grab it. I stuff my feet up in there. Pull this thing over me. And I take my glasses. I typically like to hook them right here on the, right there on that tie-out tab. So they're handy, but they're out of the way as well. Then depending on temperature or whatever, I might just pull the blanket around me like this, or I may pull it all the way over my head. And that way I'm all the way inside Totally totally enclosed. Works really nice. And this kind of deal right here, be nice and warm for me all night long. Temperature's not going to be too bad. It's supposed to get down to about 30. Might be a little breezy. I got my beast in the bottom. Got this top quilt on top. It's all I need for absolute comfort in sleeping.